How to fix Truist Bank app not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your Truist Bank app if it's not working. So there may be different reasons as to why your app is not working. So in this video, we'll go through some of the most common reasons and how you can fix them. So the first and foremost reason may be your internet connection. So make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection or a data connection for the app to work. Now second, what you can do is basically make sure your app is updated to the latest version, as if it is not updated, some of the newer fixes and features will not work, resulting in your app crashing or glitching or whatever. After that, what you can do is basically try to restart or reboot your phone. Doing this will solve the problem in most of the cases, but if your problem is still there, what you can do is basically uninstall the app entirely and reinstall it. And while you're doing that, also make sure the Truist servers are up and running or not. And doing this will most surely fix your problem. If your problem is still there, you can simply call the Truist customer support and talk to them about your problem, and they will be able to help you from there. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.